Welcome to Exciting Earnings. If you're eager to monetize your YouTube channel from day one, you'll be glad to know there are strategies beyond just ad revenue. While YouTube's partner program requires at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you don't have to wait to hit those milestones to earn. With the right tactics, even a small audience can generate income. Whether you're passionate about sharing knowledge, reviewing products, or offering services, this guide will explore multiple ways to start earning right away. Here's how you can make money from day one on YouTube. 1. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions from product sales. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to generate income as a beginner on YouTube. The concept is simple. Promote products or services relevant to your niche, and include special affiliate links in your video descriptions. When viewers click on these links and make purchases, you earn a commission. For instance, if your channel focuses on tech reviews, fitness, or beauty, you can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank to promote related products. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to integrate the product naturally into your content. Create honest reviews, tutorials, or best of lists that provide value to your audience, making them more likely to purchase through your links. Over time, this can become a consistent source of passive income as your videos gain more views. 2. Selling your own products. If you have a unique product or digital good to offer, selling it through your YouTube channel can help you earn from day one. Digital products like ebooks, courses, printables, or templates are cost-effective to produce and easy to distribute. For example, if you run a fitness channel, you could create a meal plan or workout guide. Alternatively, physical products like branded merchandise can be sold using print-on-demand services, eliminating the need for inventory. Promoting these items in your videos allows you to showcase their benefits and connect with potential buyers. Make sure your products align with your audience's interests to boost sales. Using YouTube as a platform for product sales not only generates income, but also helps build a dedicated community around your brand. 3. Sponsored content and brand collaborations. You don't need a massive following to land brand deals. Many companies are willing to work with micro-influencers who have a loyal and engaged audience. Start by identifying brands that align with your niche and reaching out to them with collaboration proposals. You can also join influencer marketplaces where brands actively seek creators for sponsored content. Sponsored videos typically involve showcasing a product or service in an authentic way, providing a win-win for both you and the brand. It's essential to maintain transparency by disclosing sponsored content, as this helps build trust with your audience. Over time, building strong relationships with brands can lead to repeat partnerships and more lucrative deals. 4. Crowdfunding and viewer donations. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, and Ko-fi allow your most dedicated fans to support your content financially. You can offer exclusive perks, such as behind-the-scenes footage, early access to videos, or personalized shout-outs to reward your supporters. These platforms are especially useful if your content resonates emotionally or provides unique value to viewers. For example, creators who focus on art, music, or educational content often find success with crowdfunding. To encourage donations, mention your crowdfunding page in your videos and include links in the description or pinned comments. Over time, building a base of loyal supporters can provide a steady stream of income and help you improve your content. 5. Pre-orders and product launches. If you're planning to launch a product or service, offering pre-orders is a great way to generate income immediately. Use your videos to build excitement around the launch by sharing sneak peeks, updates, and exclusive behind-the-scenes content. Pre-order campaigns work well for digital products, courses, or even physical items like limited edition merchandise, offering incentives such as early bird discounts. or special bonuses can encourage viewers to place orders early. This strategy not only helps you secure upfront revenue, but also creates buzz and anticipation for your upcoming launch. Be sure to maintain clear communication with your audience throughout the process to build trust and ensure a successful rollout. 6. Running contests and giveaways. Contests and giveaways are a powerful way to engage your audience while also monetizing your channel. Partner with brands to sponsor prizes or promote affiliate products as part of the giveaway. To participate, viewers can be asked to complete specific actions such as subscribing to your channel, liking the video, or sharing it on social media. This not only boosts engagement, but also increases your visibility and potential earnings. When running a giveaway, clearly outline the rules and use tools like Gleam or Rafflecopter to manage entries. Make sure to highlight the benefits of the products you're promoting to maximize interest and conversions. 7. Offering coaching or consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular field, offering one-on-one coaching or consulting services is a highly effective way to monetize your channel. For example, if your content focuses on personal development, fitness, or business, you can invite viewers to book sessions with you. Use your videos to showcase your knowledge and build credibility. Platforms like Calendly and Zoom make it easy to schedule and conduct sessions online. By providing personalized guidance and actionable insights, you can create a valuable experience for your clients while generating a steady income stream. This approach also helps you deepen your connection with your audience and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. 8. Selling stock footage or photography. If your channel features high-quality visuals, consider selling your footage or photography on stock platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. This is an excellent option for travel, nature, or lifestyle creators who capture unique scenes and moments. Upload your content to stock sites and earn royalties each time it's downloaded. To maximize earnings, focus on creating visually striking, in-demand content that appeals to a broad audience. Over time, your portfolio can become a reliable source of passive income, with your YouTube channel serving as a promotional tool to drive traffic to your stock assets. Earning money from day one on YouTube is achievable if you focus on the right strategies. By leveraging affiliate marketing, selling products and services, securing sponsorships, and engaging your audience through crowdfunding and giveaways, you can start monetizing your content immediately. The key is to create valuable, engaging content that resonates with viewers and inspires them to support your channel. With persistence, creativity, and strategic planning, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture from the very beginning. Things to avoid while implementing monetization strategies on YouTube. As you work to monetize your YouTube channel from day one, it's essential to steer clear of certain pitfalls that can hinder your growth or damage your reputation. Below are key mistakes to avoid when implementing the strategies discussed. 1. Overloading videos with affiliate links or promotions. While affiliate marketing and sponsored content can be lucrative, excessively promoting products in every video can overwhelm your audience. If viewers feel that your content is primarily a sales pitch, they may lose interest and disengage. Balance your content by focusing on value and seamlessly integrating promotions. Ensure that any product recommendations are relevant and genuinely beneficial to your audience. Building trust is crucial, and authenticity will drive more sales in the long run. 2. Ignoring audience engagement and feedback. Monetization strategies should not come at the cost of audience engagement. Avoid creating content solely for profit, without considering what your viewers want to see. Pay attention to comments, polls, and feedback to tailor your content to their preferences. Ignoring your audience can lead to decreased views and a loss of loyal followers. Engaged audiences are more likely to support your monetization efforts through purchases, donations, and subscriptions. 3. Using clickbait titles and misleading thumbnails. Tempting as it may be to use clickbait titles and exaggerated thumbnails, doing so can backfire. If viewers feel deceived, they may leave negative comments or stop watching your content altogether. YouTube's algorithm also penalizes videos with high click-through rates, but low watch times. Focus on creating honest, compelling titles and thumbnails that accurately represent your content while still being attention-grabbing. 4. Violating YouTube's community guidelines and policies. To maintain a monetized channel, it's critical to adhere to YouTube's policies, including copyright rules and community guidelines. Avoid using copyrighted music or footage without permission, as this can lead to demonetization or channel strikes. Additionally, ensure that your content is appropriate and follows YouTube's guidelines to avoid penalties that could affect your monetization eligibility. 5. Neglecting the quality of content. Monetizing your channel should not come at the expense of content quality. Rushing to push out videos for the sake of promotions or affiliate marketing can result in poorly produced content that turns viewers away. Focus on delivering high-quality, well-researched, and engaging videos that keep your audience coming back for more. Consistent quality builds trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term monetization success. 6. Being inconsistent with content uploads. Inconsistency can hurt your channel's growth and monetization potential. Viewers appreciate a predictable upload schedule, and inconsistent posting can lead to reduced engagement and a loss of subscribers. Avoid long gaps between uploads by planning a content calendar and sticking to it. Consistency helps build a dedicated audience that supports your monetization efforts. 7. Failing to disclose. Sponsored content transparency is key when working with brands. Failing to disclose sponsored content can damage your credibility and violate YouTube's guidelines. Always include clear disclaimers in your videos and descriptions when a video is sponsored or contains affiliate links. This not only builds trust with your audience, but also ensures compliance with advertising regulations. 8. Spamming social media with links. Promoting your YouTube channel on social media is essential, but avoid spamming your followers with constant links. This can annoy potential viewers and harm your reputation. Instead, focus on providing value through engaging posts, behind-the-scenes content, and thoughtful engagement. Share your videos strategically and encourage organic growth through meaningful interactions. 9. Underpricing products or services. If you're selling your own products or services, avoid underpricing them in an attempt to attract buyers. Low prices can devalue your offerings and impact your ability to generate meaningful revenue. Conduct market research to set fair prices that reflect the value of your products and services. Highlight the benefits and unique aspects of your offerings to justify the cost. 10. Neglecting analytics and performance metrics. Ignoring YouTube analytics can hinder your ability to optimize content and monetization strategies. Avoid making decisions based on assumptions rather than data. Regularly review your channel's performance metrics, such as watch time, audience demographics, and click-through rates. Use this information to refine your content strategy, identify successful monetization tactics, and improve future videos. Avoiding these common mistakes will help you build a sustainable, profitable YouTube channel. Focus on delivering value, engaging with your audience, and maintaining transparency in all your monetization efforts. By balancing monetization strategies with high-quality content and ethical practices, you can grow your channel, build trust, and achieve long-term success. Thanks for watching Exciting Earnings. Subscribe for more YouTube tutorials and tips to be successful in your financial journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with others who may benefit from building a successful YouTube presence. We'll see you in the next video.